Hey guys, it's Eric Green. So, why get SmartVault? You've seen me on YouTube and we've done webinars. First of all, most tax programs print right to SmartVault. So they're available for your client. You don't have to have them messaging and calling you. We need this or that. But it goes beyond that. Bank level security, move everything in a secure way. And if you're doing representation, we have set up our folder views. So if it's an audit, the client can put everything right in their folder. They've got their checklist. Same with an IRS collection case, offer and compromise, installment agreement. Those folder views are set up, which makes it simple, easy, and saves us hours of time. We estimate almost 150,000 of billable time. Okay. So if you want, go get SmartVault, smartvault.com/Eric Green, and just ask for Eric Green's templates, and they will give you our audit folder template and our IRS collection folder template. All right, free of charge, just for using SmartVault. So go check it out. Let them know you want my folder templates. They will give them to you absolutely free. Start using them, help clients make more money, and sleep better at night knowing everything is secure.